Hello, I am hoping to show you my Doctor Who The Collection Season 20, which I just got. And Amazon did not have many of them left because I think it came out last year and I wasn't able to get it at the time. But I've taken off the plastic and I did take a slight peek inside, but for the most part, this is the unboxing. Really nice, got this nice slipcover thing going on. And you got the shipping or the display cardboard, which I will keep because that's pretty nice too. Here is the case. Really slick. Here's the back with what appears to be the Black Guardian. And of course, my Doctor, the 5th Doctor, on the front. First episode I ever saw was Legopolis, which, for those who don't know, is the episode where Tom Baker died and this guy took over. So, back in the days of watching it on PBS instead of Max or wherever else it's at. So let's open this up. And inside here, I discovered we've got this cool thing here. One of the things included in this set is a special remastered edition of the 5 Doctors. So, of course, Tom Baker doesn't actually appear in the 5 Doctors except in outtakes from an episode they never finished. But let's open this up. I wonder if this is, given the picture with Troughton and Pertwee and Richard Hurndall playing the 1st Doctor, after, of course, William Hartnell had passed away years before. I feel like I should have the theme music playing. And here we have another picture of Peter Davison with, the companions from this series. Oh, okay. See the interior of the old TARDIS. And what have we got here? We have some reading material. Oh, we have a sale flyer with more exciting Doctor Who products. It's advertising, let's see, comics and the Big Finish audio adventures. Explore the universe of BBC Doctor Who like never before in 3 groundbreaking new video games. The Edge of Time, The Edge of Reality, and The Lonely Assassins. Edge of Reality appears to feature the 13th Doctor, Jodie. Listen to the Target novelizations of the Season 20 stories. So if you don't, which they're available on audiobooks, there are vinyl LPs. After the Evil of the Daleks, a novel by Fraser Hines, who of course plays Jamie. When Torchwood first premiered, Captain Jack made a comment to Gwen about how Torchwood B, as they called it, was a crazy old man in Glasgow, and I always had hoped that would turn out to be Jamie McCrimmon, as played by Fraser Hines, and still alive 500 years after the Time Lords returned him to his native time. An escape hunt game called The Dalek Awakens. Doctor Who Origin Stories. It's an anthology book, it sounds like. An ad for Doctor Who magazine, and an ad for some TARDIS enamel pins if you're going to a con. And then we have a pretty hefty, what it is, Doctor Who Season 20 booklet. There's a lot in here. It's awful fine print. I'm not wearing my glasses. And on the back, we've got some of his best-known companions, including Tegan Turlough and Sarah Sutton as Nyssa from the episode where she spent the entire time running around in lingerie. And once we get the booklets out, of course, we see the full-on Peter Davison TARDIS control room. And then on this side, we've got the Blu-rays. This is a Blu-ray set. Blu-ray disc right there. Oh, and when you take this out, which is the stack of videos itself, you have, of course, Peter Davison's mugshot from the opening titles. I don't have music to use here, but... So this one is Arc of Infinity. We have Snake Dance. Modern Undead, which introduced Turlough. Terminus, which I believe is where we lose Nyssa, alas. Scribe's Enlightenment. The King's Demons, apparently featuring the Master. TV version of the Five Doctors. I see, yes, we do see the... And then we have the one I'm going to be watching tonight. The special 20th anniversary edition remaster of the Five Doctors. And finally, disc 9 is a special edition of the Five Doctors. And I'm not sure what that is. I might have to look in the book. Maybe that's the one I watch. Of course, it's also 11:30 at night, so maybe I shouldn't be starting to watch a very special Doctor Who episode. Anyway, that is the extent of what's in the Doctor Who The Collection Season 20 set. If you notice little numbers in triangles on those discs, those appear to be the British TV ratings. Thanks for watching.